In part B, the vertex is the ordered pair. The x-coordinate is going to come from x plus 2, and what will make that equal to 0 is negative 2. The y-coordinate is what is sitting on the outside, that plus 2. That means the axis of symmetry is x equals the x-coordinate, x equals negative 2. So if we were to plot our vertex, that would be at negative 2, positive 2. There's the vertex. The axis of symmetry is a vertical line running through that. Our x-intercept is going to happen when the y-coordinate is 0. So I'm going to take the function negative 1/2 x plus 2 squared plus 2 and set it equal to 0. It's going to take a few steps, but we just start peeling off one number at a time. First, I'm going to subtract 2 to get rid of this 2. Negative 1/2 times x plus 2 squared is equal to negative 2. Do not take the square root yet. First, we have to get rid of the negative 1/2, so I'm going to multiply by negative 2 on both sides. Then those two will cancel, and we'll have x plus 2 squared is equal to 4. Now we can take the square root of both sides, and since we put the square root in there, when we take the square root of 4 to get 2, we have to include the plus or minus. Finally, subtract 2 from both sides to get rid of this last 2. And that means x will be negative 2 plus or minus 2. And our two x-intercepts will be negative 2 plus 2, which is at 0. And negative 2 minus 2, which is at negative 4. So plotting them, we'll have one at 0, 0, and one at negative 4, 0. To find the y-intercept, we're supposed to set x equal to 0, but I mean, I already plotted it. I got this one point, this one x-intercept that also lies on the y-axis. So that means my y-intercept must be 0. And now we got enough to draw our parabola, start at the vertex, and go through our 3 points. And there's a pretty good parabola.